I'm Rachel Benner with Puget Sound Energy. I'm the Community Involvement Program Manager out here on Jetty Island with Team PSE. We're doing a beach cleanup today. We got pounds and pounds of garbage off the beach, and hopefully that keeps it good for another season.
I'm working with the Beach Watcher program today, and we're super excited to be partnering with Puget Sound Energy out at Jetty Island for the end of season cleanup. And as you can probably see from our trash pile, it is a pretty big success. Snohomish County Extension is one of Puget Sound Energy's many powerful partners, and we've been partnering with them and sharing information about energy efficiency and really trying to introduce some new concepts to people within Snohomish County. You know, one of the things I've really valued about the partnership is that it's kind of pushed our boundaries a little bit, and we've really started thinking about energy efficiency and how to share that information most effectively. And so that's been really a great opportunity for us, as to how to expand and serve Snohomish County residents in more meaningful ways.